Today we're at the spot I always seem to be fishing, the Pooh Hole. I don't think the ice is very safe, so I just decided to come fishing here. I have no idea what I'm going to catch or if I'm going to catch anything, so if I do catch something, it's probably going to be a carp. But anyways, it's better than catching nothing. Right now I'm jigging with the worm, and I have a worm out on bottom. So let's see. I couldn't find my camera mount, so we're hooked up anyways. This is a pretty good sized one too for here. With Pescas Carpas. Let's bite this up to the thing so that I can get a picture with it. Bite it over to where my so we just inhaled it, carp too. Here it's not on beautiful carp, which we're going to. I haven't been recording, but I had 2 fish snap my line. I don't know, there must be nicks in my line on this. So here is another carp. This one's a small one though. I think we're just gonna gently let this one go. I put on a circle, but they're harder to release though. Here's the carp. There's the release. Nice carp. I can't believe I'm actually making videos of me. We are hooked up again. I don't know. Is this something other than a carp? I doubt it. Hey, it is. What is this? A bass? A dish pickle. This is the first dish. Okay, let's see if this works better now. That did not work. So I've been super busy with work, so I only went fishing for like 2 hours when I filmed catching these 2 carp and a bass in this video. I'm way behind on work, and I've been working really long hours lately, so I haven't been out fishing much. And anyways, this day I caught 2 carp and a largemouth bass. I'll probably be going ice fishing this weekend because the weather looks like it's going to be colder later this week. So anyways, I'll post another video the next time I go fishing. I'm really tired right now because I had a long day at work. I'll see you in the next video.